ED has been pressing political panic buttons with his many appointments and disappointments in recent days. Sarabina mashuko bdanyo kwa pangu ena itogwa na tawanu mpufa chinzi Philip Valerius Vanda, the last panic button that was subscribe or like or on the bell icon. And I the kind of which one does not expect from a person in their second term. But the Philip Valerius Vanda appointment is his last panic appointment. There is a very little strategy surrounding either its timing or substance. Never mind the fact that it has been attempted before. The appointment depicts a man who is no longer sure whether he must run or hide. The center, yes, left loose and control has been forfeited. What this last panic button, however, conveys is that all the potential successors, the touted heirs to the throne, are not or are in the very least no longer EDC preferred successors. This goes for Philip Valerius Vanda himself, who must view himself as an object of use, a barricade to the door, only used at night, or rather a condom only used outside the bounds of self-intercourse. The appointment effectively says, fight each other to the death, without mercy, because I don't know how to fix this. To the touted successors must be put the question, circumstances, welcome to the political wedding feast. Will the groom now turn up? Doma developments and better kopana panatawano mpofu. Aiwa achuya achinyomba our these developments. Anon kokonzi ayamunopasi the appointment of Philip Valerius Vanda. Na comment section medu za kubura ilimo tuliva mzuri bechit kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.